So today we will be discussing about a very common problem which is sore throat, many times also known as pharyngitis or upper respiratory infection or flu. Pharyngitis, commonly known as sore throat, is an inflammation of the pharynx resulting in a sore throat. Whatever we are going to discuss in coming slides will be true for other upper respiratory infections also like flu, running nose, etc. Now the common symptoms. So most commonly it presents with throat irritation, itching or sore throat. It may be associated with cold, cough, fever, headache, body ache and voice change. There could be some swelling in neck just below the ears. There could be difficulties in swallowing, but usually it is self-limited and therefore patient recovers on its own in 5 to 7 days. Causes. So most common cause of pharyngitis is viral. Examples are adenovirus, rhinovirus, coronavirus, influenza virus. In children, up to 70% to 80% cases are because of viral infections only. In adults, the percentage of bacterial infection is more. So the next most common reason is bacterial infection. Common examples are streptococcus and diphtheria. And there could be some physical and chemical causes also, like smoking, alcohol, extremely hot food and spicy food, and drinks. Acidity such as GERD, which is also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, in which the stomach contents come into throat and they cause the problem. Another very common reason is allergy. So dust, certain food items like nuts can cause allergy and inflammation of the pharynx. Warning signs. So if anyone gets pharyngitis, then there are certain signs. If you get these symptoms or signs, then you have to immediately go and show to your doctor. So the symptoms are blood in cold and cough. Whatever mucus is coming out in cold and cough, it is having blood. There is swelling in the neck, very high fever, more than 102 degree Fahrenheit, development of breathlessness, or oxygen saturation coming less than 95%, especially after 6 minutes of walk. If you are not getting better even after 3 days, there is stiffness in neck, pain in ear, or there is vomiting or diarrhea. If you get throat infection or flu, the preferred diet is to have soft foods that are easy to swallow and drink plenty of fluids to keep you hydrated, as throat infection, cold, cough and fever, they cause lot of dehydration. Warm liquids that can help soothe your throat, for example soup, kadha, warm tea, etc. Fruits and vegetables, but they should not be refrigerated. If they are refrigerated, they should be taken out 3 to 4 hours before consuming them. Ginger, honey, turmeric, basil leaves, they all have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, soothing properties, and they should be used during the cold and cough. And how to use? There are two ways. You can take ginger juice, turmeric half teaspoon, basil leaves juice, that is tulsi juice half teaspoon, and ginger juice half teaspoon. Mix them with 1 teaspoon of honey and consume it. And after consuming it, don't drink or eat anything for next half an hour to 1 hour. The another way is to make a kadha using ginger, turmeric, and basil leaves, but don't add honey to the boiling water. You can add rock salt or black salt. Now, the foods which should be avoided during throat infection. So, avoid foods that are hard or crunchy, spicy or acidic, or they are dry like biscuits and all, as they can irritate the throat. Avoid milk and milk products because, as per Ayurveda, milk and milk products increase the cough formation, mucus formation. Anything with added sugar like sweets, biscuits, bakery items, cold drinks, ice cream, all those things should be avoided, because you would have also felt that whenever you eat anything sweet, there is some throat irritation that happens. Fried food, especially the outside snacks, as they are cooked in palm oil and trans fat like dalda, and outside food also have added chemicals like preservatives which are not good for us. Sour food, for example orange, sweet lime, lemon, tamarind and grapes. So orange, sweet lime and lemon are very rich in vitamin C which help in throat infection, but many times their sourness causes irritation in throat, so you judge it as per your situation and then only take. Grapes should be avoided because they are coated with lot of pesticides and which causes throat problem. Cold food items like ice cream and cold drinks should be avoided. Alcohol and smoking should be strictly avoided. Meat, poultry, and seafood should also be avoided. If you want, you can have some soup of these non-vegetarian foods, but not too much of it because they are difficult to digest. So, when you are not well, choose to do low intensity workouts that do not put too much stress on your breathing, like yoga or light cardio you can do. and taking enough rest is essential for the fast recovery. So, to conclude, whenever you get sore throat, have proper diet, plenty of liquids, and enough rest to recover fast. If you don't recover in 3 days, then go back to your doctor for further assessment and testing. Thank you.